Right, so we're going to start with quick sketching. To actually do some quick sketching, only very simple. The only things you're going to need are some paper and a pencil. Okay, a couple of things. Make sure your pencil is nice and sharp. It obviously will start to wear down as you use it, but if you don't start off sharp, you end up with really sort of rough lines. You want to start off with quite clean lines. Now, quick sketching is dead simple because it doesn't have to be right. So, it's not going to be quite as accurate as other sort of drawing styles. It's not going to be as neat as other drawing styles, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, you can end up with really scribbly lines. Now, to start with, we're going to start off with just a really simple cube. Okay, there's lots of ways you can draw cubes. All right, so some of you might start off, for example, just by drawing a square. Now, again, you can see I'm not using a ruler or anything. It doesn't matter if it's not the neatest in the world. So I'll start off with a square. Then what I'll do is I'll extend back from the square, join those lines up, and I've got a cube. Okay. A few things to remember, obviously, a cube, really simple shape, all the sides are the exact same size, so try and draw them the same length, roughly, and again, it doesn't have to be accurate, I'm not measuring or anything, but if I do it sort of, if I start off with a square again, I draw them really long, those ones, you can tell that it's not a cube, okay, but it's still a 3D shape, right, it's still quickly sketched, okay. So start off by doing that, okay, that's one way you're drawing a cube, so start off just by drawing a square, which is the 2D version, extend back, okay, and then we've got a cube. All right. There is other ways you can draw it. So some of you might start off by drawing a diamond. Okay, you then might extend down to turn that diamond into a table, and then you join them up. All right, and again, it's still a cube, or it's not fully a cube because these ones are a bit shorter. But instead of having this edge at the front, we've actually got this corner here at the front. Okay, so it's just sort of like twisted a bit, showing it a bit more realistic. Okay, so yeah, and there's loads of, you might not want to construct it as doing a diamond, then a table, and then joining it up. You might want to just sort of do your own free thing and just, like that, okay? But just have a go at sketching cubes, all right? Once you're happy drawing one, try doing a stack of them. So I could try and maybe do like an L shape. Made up of several cubes, okay? And again, it's not the neatest in the world. It doesn't have to be, all right? Now, once you've had a go at doing some cubes, all right, you might want to use a whole page, a quarter page, half page, whatever. You're going to continue with your quick sketching now. Just choose a random object that you've got around the house, okay? Or you can draw from memory if you want to, but just choose a random object. So around me at the minute, I've got a tape measure, or I could draw my hole punch that I've got on my desk, or if you want to, do it something that you're more interested in, I've got a little Lego figure, all right? You might want to sketch them. Now, you've got to remember, it doesn't have to be neat, it doesn't have to be accurate, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? We're not using any tools, any instruments, we're just using sharp pencil, plain paper, and you're just trying to draw it as accurate as you can, all right? So you choose whatever object you want, have a go at it, all right? So like I said, for me, I'm going to have a go at drawing this, this tape measure I've got. So I'm going to stand it just up in front of me, all right? And then using the rest of the sort of space I've got on my page, just going to have a go. And it doesn't really matter. You'll see there I'm starting to create these curves. Obviously, I know we started off with cubes and they're all straight lines. My tape measure's got curves in it. I'm starting off with curves. Now, I'm not able to draw one perfect curve. I'm not that good, all right? I'm not Mr. Charity. But because it's a quick sketch, it doesn't matter that it's a little bit rough. So I've drawn across the top of here, which to me I can see sort of goes from there down to this point here that I've got sat in front of me. I've then got this little part at the back here. Opening part just there, and it's got some sort of details around here. It's got some finger grips going over the top, a little bit of detail there, and it's got the big logo in the middle. It's also got actually another sort of ring around it. And what you'll notice I'm doing now I'm happy with the actual drawing I've got, is going back over my really sort of roughly drawn lines with a bit of a bolder line, putting a bit more pressure on my pencil just to show. Like that. Okay, like I say, if I just put that sort of, that was the sort of way I was viewing it, like that. Okay, it's not the most perfect in the world, but I'm sure, you know, if I put some more details on this, spent maybe another 15-20 minutes on it, and you know, took that away and said, what is this? Hopefully, you'd be able to guess the drawing. All right. So just have a go at it. Okay, you can expand it even further. You can try putting some sort of shadows in there, or moving the page, sorry, or even sort of like a canvas that it's on, so it's got like a work plane on there, a work surface maybe. Okay, you can probably put some colour on there if you want to. All right, but that's your first lesson. All right, so quick sketching, really simple, just a pencil and some plain paper. Start off really simple, just drawing some cubes, get used to holding the pencil, then work your way up. Okay, lovely stuff.